Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we are taking a closer look at the Bissell CleanView Swivel Rewind Pet Reach Vacuum Cleaner. This powerful and versatile vacuum is a game changer for pet owners with its quick release wand, swivel steering, and automatic cord rewind. Plus, with every purchase, you're supporting homeless pets through the Bissell Pet Foundation. The triple-action brush roll and scatter-free technology make cleaning pet hair a breeze, while the automatic cord rewind and quick-release extension wand make storage and above-floor cleaning a cinch. And the swivel steering and lightweight design means you can get powerful cleaning performance without the heavy lifting. So if you're tired of struggling with pet hair and want a vacuum that makes cleaning up after your furry friends a lot easier, then be sure to check out the Bissell CleanView Swivel Rewind Pet Reach Vacuum Cleaner. The link is in the description below, so go ahead and click to make your purchase and support a great cause. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more reviews and helpful tips. Thanks for watching.